Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you two more fun and easy DIYs that you can do for your home using dollar store items and a little bit more. Alright everyone, here are the items that we are using for DIY number one. Hey everyone, today's video is sponsored by FantaShop. They sent me over a bag to review and give my thoughts on, which I will share with you guys later on in the video. Okay, I went into the Dollar Tree and I saw this lovely sign here. It's a window with the sign on it. I think it looks very nice, and it has this little piece of, what do they call this rope again? Jute rope on top, and it has the live, love, and laugh at the bottom. I thought it was so cute. And the back is plain. What do you call this look now? I think it's called farmhouse look. Yeah, but I like it. It looks very nice. So I have a lot of bling items that I'm not using. They're just on my cart sitting there gathering dust. So I said, you know what? I need to use up these items. So that's what I did. That's what I'm going to do today. So let me show you what I have. Do you guys remember this? I call it the flower bling wrap. Do you remember it? OMG. I have this sitting here for so long. Look how thick it is. Look how much I have. Look how much. It's a full roll. And I haven't used it. No. So I said, oh, I got to start using these up. So anyways, we're going to be using some of this on our sign today. Doesn't it look beautiful? I love how it looks. I totally forgot about it. So we're going to use this and put on our sign. So I cut it into strips, and I'll be using some hot glue and gluing it going around our window. Yeah, it's a window sign, isn't it? So I'm just going to use the hot glue. You can use any glue that you would like on your project. I'm just using some hot glue and helping to bling out our little window a little bit more. So how are you guys doing today? Let me know if you have little scrap items sitting around that you haven't touched in a while. Yeah, leave a comment down below and let me know if you're just like your girl, having some items and not using them anymore, and then I forget about them. And there's nothing wrong with them. They're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful items to help to decorate any item that you want to change up the look. So I'm glad I went into my cart and was checking on what I have. So let's continue to lay this flower bling wrap going right around our window. Now we have our regular bling wrap. OMG, I used to love using this bling wrap right here. I don't know what happened. I really don't know what happened, why I stopped using it, but it was my favorite. It still is. I love it. I love it. I love it. Just I haven't been using it for a while. And as you see, it is also another big roll. But I've had lots of roll of this bling wrap. Yeah. So anyways, I cut it into strips. And now I'm going to add this to our window using, again, some hot glue. Okay, everyone, while I'm adding the strip going around our window, I'm going to take a second to share with you what our sponsor sent us today from FantaShop. I'll do that review and then we'll get right back into our DIY. Alright, everyone, like I told you before, this Chanel bag was sent to me from FantaShop. So this is the bag that it came in. And when you open up the bag, it comes with some little papers and stuff telling you about your bag. And here is our bag right here. It's the Chanel shopping bag. It's like a tote bag to me. It looks very nice. It's a nice bag for traveling or your day-to-day stuff or even your work bag. It's a very nice bag. And it comes with a long strap. And I love the gold hardware that it comes with, and the little detail on the hardware. And inside has more of the hardware, and you could push this through this little thing here, and this also has the Chanel logo on it. So if you pull these through, you can make the strap shorter if you don't want the long strap hanging out on the outside of your bag. Doesn't that look nice? And you just pull it through and they come back out. And then you have this little snap part here for the center. That's how you close the bag. So let's look what's inside the bag. So you have this little thing here. I guess you can hang anything on it, your keys or whatever. So inside now, this is how it is. There's lots of space. There is a little pocket right there. And right here we have a zipper pocket. And on this side, you have two more pockets. A large pocket here and a little smaller one on this side. And there's lots of space inside to hold your items. And here it is from the front and the back. I think it looks lovely. And here's how the strap looks once again. And here's how the bag looks on my arm with the short strap. And also with the long strap sticking out. And then over the shoulder. I think it looks lovely. And they also sent me this bracelet, this charm bracelet from Pandora. They have lovely jewelry on their site also. And it's in rose gold. Alright everyone, here is our bag once again. Our Chanel shopping bag. I absolutely love it. I got it for shopping and my everyday runaround needs 24/7. I love it. So I'm going to leave the link to FantaShop down below and a discount code for you guys. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our Chanel tote shopping bag. Alright everyone, let's get back into today's DIYs. Alright everyone, I'm still adding the strips going around our window. I find it so relaxing. Yeah, do your crafting, make it fun, make it loving, warm, all the good feelings that you get when you sit down and you're making something for yourself or for a loved one. So now I'm going to add some more of the flower bling wrap on the top in single pieces. And here is our finished look. Look at our window sign, you guys. Taking a plain item, like I always tell you, from the dollar store and adding some glam to it. And then you get something absolutely lovely, like you bought it in a high-end store. When you just paid $1. Well, in Canada now it's $1.50. I think you guys still have it $1.25, which we used to have $1.25. Now we're $1.50. But it's still okay. It's still a cheap price. And I love how it turned out. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 1. And on to DIY number 2. These are the items we'll be using for DIY number 2. And I'm just going to take it outside and spray paint it, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright you guys, here is our pineapple all painted. I ended up using regular acrylic paint because my partner that spray paints for me was a little busy and I didn't want to wait. So I just used acrylic paint and painted myself. And again, I'm going to come in with the bling flower wrap. And I'll be using some hot glue. And I cut the strips. And I'll be putting it along the bottom part of the pineapple stand. I'll be doing the back and the front with this strip. Because when the pineapple is facing you, you can see through the bottom to the other side. So I'm just going to put a strip on the back part also. And now I am just adding the single pieces to our pineapple all over. Because the flowers bling reminds me of the pineapple. You know the way the pineapple looks? Yeah, it reminds me just like that. So I'm just placing the individual pieces going right around our pineapple. Now I have these stones here that I'll be placing on the top part of our pineapple. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue at the beginning to help hold down the strip. They do have a self-adhesive on the back, but sometimes they lift. If they're on glass, they tend to stay better, but on wood and anything else, they tend to lift sometimes. So put a little glue at the bottom and at the top to help keep them securely in place. And I'm just going to keep adding the strips, going right across the top. And we're almost done. See, it's so fast and easy with these DIYs. And when you're done, you have something lovely for yourself. And you feel proud because you made it all on your own. And here is our finished look. Our glammed out pineapple. I think it looks so cute. I love the strips on the top. They stand out nice, and the flower bling wrap looks just like how the pineapple looks. The pineapple body looks. Yeah, something like that. But it looks like the pineapple. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Does it look like a pineapple? I think it does, and I love how it turned out. So I hope you enjoyed the 2 easy and fun DIYs that I had to share with you today, using up my stash. Yes, using up the bling wraps and stuff that I have. I'm going to see what else I have and use some more items to do some more DIYs. So I'm going to go back to the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, and get some more items to share with you all. Alright everyone, thanks so much for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.